Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 20 from chapter 25 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to verify the critical angle for light that is going from water to air. Okay, so let's draw what's going on here. And so here's our interface. And so we will have water on this side, air on this side. And we're coming from the water up to the air. So N1 is 1.333. N2 is 1.0. So the subscripts with 1 are on the incident side. The subscripts for 2 are on the refracted side. Let's draw the normal to the interface. This means it is perpendicular to the interface. And we're looking for a critical angle. So light's going in. We've got theta critical. And then for theta critical, our theta 2 is 90 degrees. Okay, and then with Snell's law, or the law of refraction, we have N1 sine theta critical is N2 sine 90. And the sine of 90 is 1. And so we have sine theta critical is going to be N2 divided by N1. Take the sine inverse of both sides. Theta critical is the sine inverse of N2 divided by N1. Substitute the numbers. N2 is the air side, so that's going to be 1.0. N1 is the water side, that's 1.333. And it is important to use all the digits. I did the computation and I got the 48.6, and that's what we needed to show. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.